Hello friends, how are you? Myself Kishor Sir, math teacher and in Ascent School of Science. Here I am going to explain about the second term blueprint of mathematics. Yeah, as you have seen in the video of science and English, already they have explained about the blueprints. So what is actually a blueprint? Blueprint shows the actual weightage of each and every chapter, whatever is going to be asked in the exam. So here let's go to the directly to our blueprint of the maths, which already I have sent you in the group. So just check it out on the screen. Okay, so here we are going to ask here total 9 chapters. Okay, each have a different weightage. So I am going from the first chapter number 1. Chapter 1, number system. In that total weightage of this chapter is 6 marks. In that there will be a question of 1 mark objective question in the one 2 mark question and 1 3 mark question. Then we go for the second chapter, that is the polynomial. Its weightage is a 2 but with option. Yeah, there is a 1 star mark is that it shows the optional question. Okay, so total question we are going to ask 2. Okay, with option there is a 4 mark, but without option there is a 2 mark. The third, fourth chapter we are not going to ask in this exam. We are going to for the chapter number 5. There is only 1 mark objective question from that. Then from the chapter number 6, lines and angles. The total weightage of this chapter is 6 marks. In this 6 marks, there will be a 4 objective question. Objective questions like that we can ask the MCQ, short question, blanks. Okay, so anything from that, and 1 2 mark question will be there. That will be calculative sums from that. Now we are going for the chapter number 7. Total weightage without option is 8 mark and with option 11 mark. This is the most important chapter exam point of view. 4 mark question will be there. So there are so many theorems are there, so we have to focus for the theorem. 1 3 mark question, 1 2 mark question and 2 objective from the there. Now we go for the chapter number 8. Okay, so same way it is also most important chapter. It is a second semester, I mean second term exam chapter. Without option it contains 8 marks and with option 10 marks. There will be a 4 mark question, means theorem is expectable, and 2 marks 2 questions are there. Okay, and 2 objective from that. Then chapter number 9, equally important here. Weightage of this chapter is 7 marks without option. With option there are 14 marks. Okay, so there is also 4 mark questions are there, 2 3 mark questions. So you have to prepare for some proving sums and the theorem for that. 2 objective will be asked from this chapter and 2 marks 1 question. Then we are coming to the chapter number 11. If we say that oxygen, those who are on the oxygen, yes, chapter number 11, construction. There will be 2 construction will be asked. One is the optional, one you have to attempt. If you want to attempt 2, it is okay. So without option it contains 4 marks and with option 8 marks. Then 14th chapter, last chapter of the syllabus, it is statistic. Total weightage of this chapter is 8 mark with option and without option there are same. There is no optional question from this chapter. Okay, 1 3 mark question and 1 2 mark and 3 objective from that. Okay, so there are total 34 questions going to be asked you. Okay, 15 question objectives are there, 2 mark question, there will be 9 questions are there, you have to attempt any 7. Then 3 mark questions are there. There it will be asked 5 questions, you have to attempt any 3 from that. Okay, same way 4 mark question, you have to attempt any 3 out of 5. Means total 24 questions are there, you have to attempt any 28. This will be better explained in the paper style. So let's check it in the paper style. What is our paper pattern is there, paper style is there. So you can check on the screen that in section 1 1 mark question 15. So there are objective question, objective that you can check it out. There will be MCQ, fill in the blanks, then true false are there, and one word question, one sentence questions are there. After that we are going to select section B, the 2 marks section. Here you have to attempt any 7 out of 9 question. In section C you have to attempt any 3 out of 5 question. Each question carries 3 marks, and at the last section D, each question carry 4 marks. You have to attempt any 3, so out of 5. So I think you will better understand how to attempt the paper. Okay, what is the most important in blueprint and paper style? You have to decide from where you have to start the paper and from where you have to end. Okay, the choice of question are most important when we are going for the examination. So I hope you understand better. All the best to you for your exam. Thank you very much.